Hello. Are you tired of not being able to catch a frisbee? I think you are. So you should buy the new Ultra Frisbee. It's fun for all ages and you can actually catch it. See? It's made of pure velcro. So if you wear a certain type of gloves, it slips right in. But even without gloves, perfect catch. But with other frisbees, they're so slippery with the plastic. They slip right off, but with the tough velcro, you can always hang on. So buy the velcro frisbee. Very nice. It's a perfect Christmas gift. Only 25 days. Start shopping, parents. Or you could just make one at home with a bunch of velcro. I made my own. You should buy your own. Just go to Big Lots and they have plenty in stock. Buy one. Bye.